glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, track is in. Pack up here, in. Track your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be showing you all how I achieve this Marley twist braid. So the hair I'll be using is the Jamaican locks in 44 inches. Actually I wanted the color 1B, but they didn't have that in store, so I just went for the color 4. The first thing I will be doing is to lubricate my rubber band with my DIY aloe vera hair growth oil, after which I will just saturate my hair with water. Then I apply my aloe vera DIY hair growth moisturizer. And also guys, if you want to see how I achieve or how I made all this aloe vera product, just leave a comment for me down in the comment section below, because all this product has been helping me in growing my hair thicker and fuller, so you can see for yourself. I just go ahead to pat my hair into these little puffs. So guys, patting your hair all by yourself is not that easy, so don't expect the lines to be that perfect, okay? Do not kill yourself, just do what you can, okay? So I just add some moisturizer after patting the hair, because it is a protective style and you do not want your hair underneath to be so dry, so it is always good to moisturize your hair. I just basically do the same thing for all of the rest of my hair. When your hair is moisturized, it does avoid breakage. So I'm done patting the whole of my hair, and this is what it looks like. I will just pull one strand from the braiding hair. There are 24 strands in a pack, so I will be using the crochet method in braiding this hair. So what I basically do is I put in my crochet hook across my puff, then I put the extension and hook it on the crochet hook, close the hook and pull. So I went again and moisturized my hair, but this step is optional. Then I comb it out and start braiding. When I get to the point where my hair stops, because my hair is very short, then I will just start by twisting. Guys, I'm very horrible in explaining, but I know the process is very clear to understand. If you do not understand what I'm trying to explain, you can just watch and grab something out of what you see. done with braiding the hair, so I will just go ahead to add some accessories, add some beads, and make it look so gorgeous. To accessorize this hair, you can make it as desire. You can make it your own way. You can just play with the hair and get the best out of the hair. But to me, I like it to be this way. I just like to put some beads and some, I don't know what you call this. Is it a rope or what? The silver rope I have on it. So you can just do it your own way, the way you wish the hair to look like. So guys, for my edges, I will just be using the Gorilla's Knot Gel to clean up my edges nicely and neat. I'm not a fan of baby hair, so I do not like the baby hair drama and all those things. I prefer my edges to be nice and neat. So guys, this is all about the video, so I will just leave you to watch the rest of the video. If you have any question for me, leave it down in the comment section down below and I will do my best to reply your comment. And also I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank my old subscriber for coming back. And if you are new here, please do not leave without subscribing to my channel and hitting on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will get notified. Once again, I want to thank you all for watching. Bye.
Back here, drag you in, back here, in, drag you back here, in, back goes, hold back, there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.